Maxim. Introducing first, in the blue corner. Yesterday he weighs in at 140 pounds with a professional record of 14 professional fights, 12 wins, 5 wins coming away by a knockout and 2 losses. He hails from Thailand. Please welcome Jonghyun Song Naramchai. And his opponent, Rosemary. Hide in the red corner, he weighs in at 115 pounds. With professional fight record of 16, with 15 wins and 13 wins. Coming away by a knockout and 1 loss. He is the former amateur national standout from MP Boxing Gym in Davao City, Philippines. Please welcome the hard-hitting Aston Gino Corrales Malekte. The belt will be awarded by our IBF Commissioner, and that's the Commissioner, Honorable Mateo Flix Gaston. This is a 10th round championship fight of the IBF World Youth Super Flyweight Championship. Boxers, final instructions.
Hey boxers, this bout is scheduled 10 rounds and IBF World Youth Championship. This bout is sanctioned by the Games and Amusement Board. Hey boxers, be careful of headbutt and avoid hitting below the belt line. Hey, when you heard the command break, both of you stay backward. In case of knockdown, the standing boxer automatically proceed to the neutral corner. Understood? Okay, seconds.
Beginning of the first round, Boxer Aston Malekte in yellow white pants, Boxer Jonghyun Song Naramchai in white red pants. This championship bout is scheduled for 10 rounds of professional boxing.
Get the